Where should I install my app on Linux? We have some data import tools we've written in-house and I need to set them up on a new Linux box. These are written in both Java and .NET running on Mono, and they comprise binaries, config files, resources/assets like images and templates. They also write logs and look to some special folders for the data to import. I'm new to Linux. At the moment, they are in a folder like /data/importer.java/ and /data/importmanager.net/ with these folders containing everything they need to run. But I see /data/ is a non-standard folder. So I wanted to know if there's a proper place to set them up. However, it seems that on Linux there's many folders each for a specific purpose and for read-only /read-write data. It's almost as if I need to split my apps over a bunch of folders to do it properly, and some folder names, like bin sound right, but then what do I with non-binary /compiled files? Aside from the binaries, the config and everything else is often modified by humans. Something like, just focusing on the Java part for now. /opt/importer.java/ for the binaries, config and resources. /var/importer.java/datain/ for dropping in data to import. /var/importer.java/logs for the logs written. Or maybe I should use the /srv/ folder. Or perhaps /usr/bin/. Maybe logs should be written to the /home/ folder of the running user. It's all so complicated. Whenever I read any Linux documentation, I regret it. Should I just copy it all over from the other machine as is and forget I ever tried? Thanks. Luke.
As far as I'm aware, native Linux applications are written to have their binaries in a USR, bin, logs in var, config in, etc., and so on. Non-native applications or combinations of packages, such as LAMP XAMPP for example, or that are meant to be used system-wide, on the other hand, are by default installed in opt, with the configuration usually also residing in that folder. If the software is meant to run per user, a folder inside their home directory is customary.
This is a question with no right answer and an intriguing bit of Unix history. The rule we followed at my prior employer was that none out-of-the-box software was installed in /opt/packagename version number, and there was a symbolic link from /opt/packagename version number to /opt/packagename. Configs go in /opt/packagename/ etc. Logs go in /opt/packagename/logs. Binaries go in /opt/packagename/bin. Data goes in /opt/packagename/data. For apps that were to be distributed outside of our shop, we wrote them to be relocatable by the package manager. This was a rare occurrence, and not fun.